Leanne Morejon is live with an update for us tonight. Leanne.
That's right. We're live outside of Hialeah Hospital. We know that several residents, dozens of them, in fact, were transported from Fairhaven's nursing home earlier today. We know that there are more than 120 cases linked to that facility. And in fact, 8 people also linked to that facility have died.
Dozens of residents at the Fairhaven's nursing home in Miami Springs loaded into ambulances Sunday and transferred to Hialeah Hospital. This after 126 cases of coronavirus were confirmed at Fairhaven's, the highest number of any single facility of its kind in Florida.
I would prefer for her to stay here.
Lázaro Guas says his mother tested positive for the virus but is not symptomatic. She was one of the residents that was transferred.
She doesn't have a fever. She doesn't have any symptoms, just that she was tested positive.
The Agency for Healthcare Administration issued an order requiring that when the Florida Department of Health comes to a facility to test residents and staff, everyone must submit to testing. The agency's secretary, Mary Mayhew, said on This Week in South Florida that transfers out of long-term care facilities are happening to contain outbreaks of COVID-19.
You have a number of individuals who are in semi-private rooms, so it is incredibly difficult to prevent the spread, which is why we have been partnering with hospitals in the counties to support timely transfers out of these facilities so 2 cases do not become 20 or 5 become 50.
But it seems coronavirus is already widespread here at Fairhaven's, and Guas is concerned that taking his mother to the hospital could put her health in greater danger.
If they only tested positive and they don't have the symptoms, why are they being transferred and put in harm's way?
And we are still working on getting more information for you, including the number of exactly how many of those Fairhaven's residents were brought to the hospital. We're also trying to figure out whether all of them that were taken to the hospital actually have coronavirus, how serious they are, or whether some of them were brought to the hospital as a preventative measure. A lot more to come on this. We're live in Hialeah. I'm Leanne Morejon, Local 10 News.